Ever wondered why people fail even before they get started? I mean, have you asked yourself, why do you fail with your goals, your plans over the year or over the period? Why do a lot of people fail with their money goals? These are the questions that people are not proud or bold enough to ask. And no one is talking about the solution. Join me in this video. I have come to tell you the reason why it is like that and give you a practical step on how you can set your goals, whether it's money goals, business goals, whichever goal that you want to set or plan that you want to set, and you'll be able to achieve them at the end of the day without life getting in. Let's go. My name is Juliet, and what I do in this channel, this is Finspoke channel. What I do in this channel is to bring financial literacy to the grassroots through goal setting, savings, budget and investment, personal finance, coaching, business ideas, and entrepreneurship at large. Now, if this is your type of vibe, subscribe to this channel, stick around. You will always see what will learn one or two that will help you to achieve financial freedom. Most importantly, give this video a thumbs up, share this video so that a lot of people out there that wants to get financially literate, as in this financial knowledge, at least for their own personal finance, will see this video and then with you. It is not enough to have a New Year resolution. It is not enough to make plans. It is also not enough to set goals. When you set goals or make plans or resolutions, after a short period, you forget about them. It is not enough. Now, the thing is this: where is that zeal and the passion that you use to set that goals, make that resolutions, make that plan? Where are the zeals and the enthusiasm that within the shortest period, those things rise up? And that will be the end of the goals or the end of the plan. In this video, I have come to address that issue, to tell you why it is like that, and show you how to overcome it when life sets in. Now, the simple reason or the reason for the falling or failing before you even get started is because the moment life sets in, that morale will drop, the zeal will leave you, the enthusiasm will go, the joy will triumph. This is just the reason why it's as if you are not achieving the goals that you set. Let me give you a little illustration. Depending on the time that you are seeing this video, but this video, I made this video at the beginning of the year. That joy, New Year joy, is still there. That enthusiasm, I am starting the year fresh, this, that, is still there. But I tell you, if you are not careful, immediately after the first quarter, some will not even last up to the first quarter, which is the end of March, April, May, you discover that some will not even remember where they plans and their goals for the year. Because life has really set in. But my dear, you and I that is watching this video will not be a victim anymore, because you are going to get a practical tips on how to overcome this challenge. For you to succeed, you need to be focused. You need to be consistent. You need to stay motivated at all times. For you to overcome the struggle of life when it sets in, you need to do two things for yourself. What I am sharing with you is what has helped me, what has helped a lot of people. That is what I want to share with you. You need to do these two things that I'm mentioning now, and you have to do it with your utmost integrity. One, hold yourself accountable. That is the highest level of discipline. Hold yourself accountable. How do you hold yourself accountable? Let me explain to you. Take full responsibility of your actions. Take full responsibility of the decisions that you make. Own it up. Own up your mistakes. Own up your words. Hold yourself accountable. When you say you want to do something, go ahead, do it. Whether it is convenient or it is not convenient for you, hold yourself accountable. You cannot lie to someone without lying to yourself first. That's a straight language. You cannot lie to someone if you have not lied to yourself first. No matter what happens, stop blaming others for your failure or for whatever that happens around you. You have your blaming others. Stop shifting blames. That is one of the things I mean by holding yourself what? Accountable. Take ownership of your actions. Instead of sitting down to blame others for your failure or to blame circumstances, sit down and learn from the situation or acknowledge your own role in whatever that has happened. Set a clear standard. Define what success means to you. It will help you. Because what success means to you might not really be what success means to me. Define what success means to you. When you define what success means to you, it will help you to set a standard for yourself. Do what you say you will do, whether it is convenient for you or not. If you made a promise, keep to that promise. If you say you will do this, stick to it, do it. If you say you won't do this, learn to say no. This one I will do. I will not do it. That is setting a standard. Learn from your mistakes. Prioritize and manage your time very well. Your success largely depends on your time. We are still talking about holding yourself accountable. Holding yourself accountable. Seek feedbacks. Stop running away from criticism. I like it when people criticize me because I learn one or two and it makes me know how they feel about me. And it's also a way of people correcting you. Stop avoiding criticism. Matter yourself whether it is constructive criticism or destructive criticism. No matter how you see it, there is always something to learn. You can use criticism to call yourself to order. So stop running away from it. It might be an avenue someone is telling you that this is the reason why something is not working. Stop avoiding it. Now, when you have done these few things that I mentioned, take a step further to number 2. The reason why you have to hold yourself accountable first is because you cannot be accountable to another person if you're not accountable to yourself first. I am speaking from the area of experience. Number 2 is to take a further step, a practical step, by getting yourself an accountability partner. Get yourself accountability partner. I want to urge you for something. If you want to get yourself accountability partner, look for someone that both of you are in the same on the same page. Let me use that word. So get yourself accountability partner. To get yourself accountability partner, you can look for your friend. And when I say friend, let it not be someone that is always jealous of you or jealous of your success. That's why I said someone that both of you are on the same page. It can be your friend, it can be a relative or your siblings, a family member. But let it be someone that both of you can have a kind of understanding and can tell each other the truth. And if you cannot get accountability partner, either from your relatives or from your friends, and you want to join my accountability circle, you are welcome. I will drop the link. If you want to join us, in the description, you click the link, you join us. At some point when I started struggling with a lot of things because when somebody not when you are not answering somebody, sama, and you are not nobody's compelling you to do. Sometimes laziness and lousiness, all these lackadaisical attitude, nonchalant attitude, just set in over your own personal things. So I discovered that I was lagging behind. I spoke with a friend, and before you know what is happening, we formed accountability group. We normally have meeting once in a week, and before the week, our meeting is always on Saturdays. Then what we are going to do for the week, for the next week, we have a Google Doc that we work with. We put up our goals for the week on Sunday. You must submit your goals on Sunday before 9 a.m. Then it's expected that goals that you submitted on Sunday kickstart that same Sunday and run through till Saturday when you give report of what you did or what you've done for the week. It gingered everybody, gingered me. So if you are not sincere to yourself, one, you will be dodging the meeting or whoever that is your accountable, whatever time that both of you agree to be having meeting or to be checking up on each other. One, you will not be sincere to the person, and you still discover that you are still where you are. You are not even cheating the person. You are still where you are. Nothing has changed. So the change we are talking about here, in order to achieve your goals, your money goals, your productivity goals, and whatever goals starts with change within. Now, when you get yourself this accountability partner, assuming you didn't join our own group, because me, my own ginger, you go to fear now. So my ginger alone will force you to work, to sit up. So assuming you get an accountability partner outside our wealth tribe circle, make sure that both of you have an understanding of the time to check up on each other. Look at the goals set. How far have you people gone? If they go for the month is that we are going to save 10,000 naira this month, and that money must be in the savings account between the first day of the month and the 50th day of the month. Make sure that nobody is lagging behind. You transfer your own, you drop the receipt, you send the receipt for confirmation to your partner. Your partner transfers her own into their own personal account. I didn't say you should go and give somebody your money to hold. No. If you join my own group, I show you how to do all these things anyway. So, but what I'm trying to say, when there is a constant check up on each other, you discover that the productivity will be on the high side, it will increase. Have I spoken your mind? Have you really subscribed to this video? Have you liked the video? Please, if you've not, what did I do to you now? Hmm? I am dishing out all these information free of charge. I'm not asking anybody to pay me. But the only thing I'm asking you for is like my video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video. That's all. Do not take anything from you. Just click. Click. First click, subscribe. That's all. Second click, like. Third click, share. Now, if you have a goal, a money goal this year, it will be advisable for you to join a finance community. Yes, very, very advisable for you to join or to look for a accountability partner in a finance community. There are a lot of finance communities everywhere. Look for one. And if you want to join mine, please, you're welcome. The reason it is advisable for you is because once it's a finance community, you know that all of us, or everyone there, or 80% of people in there, they are looking for the same thing that you are looking for. So it's easy to get someone that both of you have the same goal. Join a finance community. Now, having said this, just to recap, the reason why a lot of people are not achieving their goals, whether it is financial goal or whatever goal, is just life setting in along the way. And because nobody is checking up on them, because they are not accountable to anybody, they will just relax. But the moment someone started checking up on you, the joy, they see, the enthusiasm, the strength will come back. That is why we are starting this year with an accountability partner. Go get your own. Go get your own. Reach out to me in the comment section and tell me, Madam, I've gotten an accountability partner and we have started. Till I come your way next.